Hey guys, it's Haylie Pomroy here, as you know, the author of Metabolism Revolution. And let me give you the rundown of how this is all going to go. Step 1, you need to pre-order the book. We're going to be going through this page by page during our challenge. Step 2, I need you to go to my website at HayliePomroy.com. You're going to see on the pre-order page where you load your receipt in there. And that's going to give you access to our 5 incredible tools to help you have rapid weight loss and a fast metabolism for life. Step 3, you've got to be a member. So you're either going to log onto your member account if you're already a member, or if not, you're going to take advantage of one of the gifts and you're going to become a member because I've put in there a coupon for 30 days for free. Then once you become a member, you're going to log on to your member account. Here we go. Step 4, if you're not already a member of our private Facebook page, you're going to want to do that on your member dashboard. For all my members and now my new members, you go to your member dashboard and you'll see where you can request access to our private Facebook page. Step 5, you're going to need to get your book ready because we're going to be highlighting it. You're going to be dog-earing it. You're going to be putting tabs in it just like I did. I'm getting ready for us to spend 2 weeks together. So make sure you follow step 1 through step 5. And did I mention, go get a book right now.